Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and I would really appreciate if you became part of the fam and hit that subscribe button and join the fam. And also don't forget that notification bell that's on the side of the subscribe button, so that way you're informed every time I upload a new video. And as you can see from the thumbnail, we're unboxing the summer 2020 Fabfitfun box. So if you're excited to see what I got in my box, just keep on watching. I hope you guys are all doing well. How has everybody been? I know I've been MIA for a little bit, and I hope you guys understand. I started going back to work and my life is a little hectic at the moment. So trying to get everything in line with each other and just let the flow start to happen. It's been a little bit of a mission, but I'm here. So let's do this. Let's get into our Fabfitfun 2020 box. Really excited. I did go ahead and cut it open, but I have not looked in it. So I'm going to go ahead and just open the box and show you guys. Can't see because of the paper. But every time you get this box, it will come with like a little magazine. And this box is $49.99 every season. So it's a seasonal box, which I really, really love Fabfitfun with a passion. I love it so much. It is literally one of my favorite boxes to get. Like, I love it so much. All right, so let's grab the first thing in the box that I see, and it is this. And it says Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray Fresh. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna spray it. It smells nice, but it doesn't have like a beachy kind of smell. And it says Botanical After Sun Spray. So, shake gently before use and spray onto face or desired area of the body. Okay, but what is the point? Let's see if the little magazine gives us any more information. So it retails for $42, and it says reset and refresh your skin by spritzing the Soothe Aloe Mint and Lavender mixture. So it's an after sun spray. So I'm assuming like if you get a little bit of sunburn, maybe this is supposed to soothe it, maybe. But I don't know. I like going to the beach, so we'll try it. Okay, next thing in the box. This is an item I picked, okay, because I was really excited to get this. And it comes in this cute little bag. And yes, girl, it is sunglasses. They make me feel fabulous. Look at them. I'm sorry, who is she? Yes, it's me. I really do like these a lot. I love the matte black cat eye finish. Like, I love it so much. And they feel like sturdy shades. Like they're not like cheapy. And I like the color of them. Like when you look through the lens. They retail for $58. Tom's Sydnee Sunglasses. The oversized and slightly cat eye frame makes for a classic shape to add to your collection. I absolutely love them. When I seen them, I was like, oof, I gotta have them. I got to have them. So I'm really excited to get those. They're lightweight and they feel sturdy, so I really like that. And plus they come with a cute little baggie. Next thing I'm pulling out of the box is, yes, I also picked this. I don't remember how many items it lets me pick, but I know I did pick this. And this is the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. So I'm really excited to get this charging pad because I can leave it sit on my living room like end table and still charge my phone. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's take it out of the plastic. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at it. It's like everything I love. Look at that. So girly. And it's very thin and lightweight. And then this is the little wire that it comes with. Super cute. Look at that. Super cute. Really excited to get that. Of course, because I picked it. So let's read about it. Wireless charging pad. Rest your phone on the pad and watch the battery recharge in a flash. This pad supports QI compatible devices only. Retails for $35. Don't know what that means. QI devices only. Not sure, but I have an iPhone, so I'm sure it will work. Let's go ahead and go into the next thing in the box. And it says, Summer and Rose, a place for everything. I don't know what this is. Oh! That is super cute. I have so many of these things. It's like a little jewelry dish. I love it so much. That is really cute. Look at the detail. It's rosy pink with gold and ivory. I love that. And it's a decent sized dish. Like, nice. I don't see the dish in the book. I don't see the dish in the book. Maybe I'm crazy, but I don't see the dish in the book, so I'm not sure how much it is. But moving on to the next item in my box. Oh, God, this is a big box. Look at this. What is this? Terre Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Okay. This is going to be a big bottle of toner. Psych, they fooled me. It was more bubble wrap inside the box. It's a glass bottle. So they had to package that sucker good. Look at that. That's a big old bottle. Oh, it has a little cover thing, so I'm not going to open it. Because I have so much toner. I may not keep this. I may put that on my Macari. Not sure. Because I have so much toner that I still haven't even opened yet. So, let's see. It says, Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Reveal your best skin yet as the Aloe and Tea Tree combo soothes skin and slows away dead skin cells. $54. Holy mackerel. Okay. My box is this. Not sure what that is either. And I don't know how you say. Is it riddle? Ardle? And it has a question mark because it's a mystery. Oh. It's a roll-on. It says Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. This perfume mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you, and it retails for $50. And she's eensy teensy little baby. Girl. Okay, we're gonna have to rub her on now. It's a nice little roller ball. I ain't gonna lie. It smells so damn good. I do like it. But, you know, I like a little bit of a stronger scent. And this to me is very light. It smells nice, but it's light. I may give this to my mom. She may like that. I don't know if it smells the same on everybody because it says the chemistry it mixes with your body and stuff, but alright, let's see what else is in here. It's a big thing of bubble wrap. Ooh. Well, looky here. Everybody knows I'm a sucker for my beauty blender. My brand beauty blender sponge. So I will have to try this and see. It says it's a hybrid silicone pad and blending sponge. This applicator features a silicone side and a latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. And it is $20, the same as the beauty blender. So, you know, I'm smelling that stuff even more now as I wear it. So, the sponge feels nice and dense. I'm sure it will feel softer when it's wet. And then it has a nice like silicone pad. But I've never used like a silicone pad for foundation or anything. So I'm not sure how that would apply. But It would use less product, that's for sure. So I'm excited to give that a try. I don't have any water with me right now. Otherwise I would wet it. But it doesn't feel bad. It does feel soft, but still dense at the same time. And I'm sure it will expand a little bit. But I know my beauty blender is dirty. Don't come for me. Size wise, almost the same. Mine is way softer, as you can see, like, but I'll try it. I'll see how it works. This is the last thing in the box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that. I know one of the things I put surprise me, so I don't know if this is the surprise me item or not. Oh god. Oh snap! I did not pick this, but I'm still happy to get it. The Michael Kors, I think this is the passport holder, but you can still use it as a wallet because it has a place for your license, your debit cards, and money. But yet you can still put a passport if you have one or you want to keep it in there. But that's dope to get a Michael Kors little thing like that. I love that. That's awesome. The sleek wallet keeps your passport, credit cards, and boarding pass super organized. 78 bucks. So I'll definitely add up my total of my box and let you guys know what it is down below. But you're always guaranteed to at least get at least $225 up to $477. So with Fabfitfun, you always get a really good value, especially when you're only paying $49.99. I really like it. And I have so many starter boxes. If you guys want starter boxes, let me know. Give me your email. I'll send you them because I have so many. But to show you the book, there's plenty of items that you could have gotten this month. So many items. Good items this month that you could have gotten. But I am very, very happy with the items that I got this month. I think this month knocked it out of the park. And I really enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the items that I got in my Fabfitfun this time. And let me know if you got something different or wish you would have gotten something that I've gotten. You stay safe. And everybody, I miss you so much. And I love you guys. Bye.